Hey, huzzah! Jeff Hunter here. I'm at the New York Renaissance Fair, and I ran into the Bard himself.
Will Shakespeare, I'm very famous.
Yes, you are. Are you working on a new play?
Yes, indeed. It debuts this very afternoon at 5:30. I call it The Taming of the Dude.
Join us next weekend when we have a heroes and villains weekend.
Oh,
Indeed, a delight.
that sounds exciting.
Very
This is
exciting.
the Lady Mayor,
The Lady Mayor of Sterling Shire.
and we're at the New York Renaissance Fair. Hey, and don't worry, if you don't have a costume for Heroes and Villains Weekend or for Pirates Weekend, you can rent them right there. This is Aaron Bonk, and if you come to the fair on Saturday, he's going to go for a Guinness Book of World Records. What is that record?
That record will be 3 fire whip juggling. Most catches in 1 minute.
Okay, and that's on the Sherwood stage.
It is at 5:15.
So come to the New York Renaissance Fair.
See thee then.
Good gentles, prithee be at thine ears. Joy immeasurable to lay eye upon such beauteous subjects such as thee.
And we have rebuilt the Cock and Bull Pub from the ground up. Incredible! But what about stages with many varieties? Everything from Commedia dell'arte to Septa Sua, where rats and cats do join each other in artful play.
Fear, don't steal a punchline, or you get to tell a toast. There you go. That's how that works.
So Rachel, you work at one of the many pubs, and this year you're trying something new with the mead.
Yes.
What can you tell me about that?
Well, it's on tap this year instead of bottles, and it's from New Hampshire, and it is a pure mead. It is straight up honey and water fermented, and we have raspberry and traditional.
All right.
And let's not forget all the shows, like Hey Nunny Nunny. So what's your show about?
We counsel sinners. The sinners. There's so much temptation here.
Yes, a lot of temptation.
Men in kilts.
Men in tights.
All the jousters.
Jousters.
No, terrible.
Yes, so it's
so tempting.
It's our job to create balance in the universe, you know? Oh, the balance. We counsel, they sin, everyone's happy.
Demonstrations abound, like glass blowing, and other demonstrations. There's the blacksmith. Now, throughout the day, the citizens of the Shire continue on with their daily life. Right here, we have Robin Hood and Lady Marian.
Tired of you people!
And here comes the acting sheriff and his boys.
Again, a letter, I wrote it, and I sent it, and I remember it. Yeah, and I am so self-disrespectful of impertinent miscreants shall pay for this misstep. God, what art thou doing here, my cookie? I have been
Okay, that's Stuart and Arnold behind me. Stuart is gonna throw some knives at me.
Ready? Yeah. All right, here we go.
Okay. Oh, mighty. Well, that was a bit of a frightening experience, but as you can see, none of them hit me. So come see the show at the New York State Renaissance Fair. Jeff Hunter, News 10, ABC.